was a Conestoga wagon of frontier fame. These were the wheels that carried the pioneers and all their possessions across America. These are the wheels that covered a continent. Today, the wheels are different, but they're still rolling.
Wheels are rolling, rolling all along the highway. Wheels that keep a-rolling all the night and day, singing a song of the men behind the motor trucks, a song of safety and service all along the way. Keep them rolling, keep America strong, east, west, north, south, rolling along. Wheels are rolling, rolling all across the nation. Wheels that keep a-rolling all the night and day, singing a song of the men behind the motor trucks. Keep 'em rolling all across the USA.
Across the USA, only trucks can deliver to your store or your own front door so swiftly such things as ice cream, fresh meat, newspapers, clothing, furniture, and the hundreds of other things you use every day. Modern trucks deliver the goods faster and more economically. They make your life more pleasant. You live better because of trucks that keep rolling along.
Singing a song of the men behind the motor trucks. Keep 'em rolling all across the USA.
This message has been brought to you in behalf of the American trucking industry by Chevrolet, maker of Chevrolet sturdy-built trucks.
Thank you for watching. Your support means everything to us. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below with your feedback or suggestions. More exciting videos are coming soon, don't miss out. See you again very soon.